Are you an adventurer at heart, always seeking new challenges and thrills? Then these 5 off-road 4x4 camper van for extreme adventures will interest you. These vans are designed to withstand the toughest of terrains and take you on an extreme adventure like never before. The Benchmark Vehicles Argonaut is a truly unique and versatile off-road 4x4 camper van. Built for the ultimate adventure, it's designed to conquer the most challenging trails and take you on the most extended overlanding journey. This 4x4 camper van is your home on wheels, equipped with everything you need to embark on a long-term overlanding journey. From the moment you set foot inside the Argonaut, you'll feel a sense of freedom and capability that only an expedition vehicle can offer. The interior of the Argonaut is just as impressive. It's designed to be comfortable and functional, with a spacious and well-appointed living area that includes a full kitchen, a comfortable bed, and plenty of storage space. With its powerful diesel engine, advanced suspension system, and state-of-the-art off-road technology, the Argonaut is built to handle anything the wilderness throws your way. Winnebago 4x4 Revel is the ultimate off-road adventure vehicle for exploring the rugged backroads and remote wilderness with confidence and ease. This state-of-the-art camper van is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and is engineered to conquer any terrain, with a 4x4 drivetrain and high-performance suspension. Inside the Revel is a true home on wheels, with all the comforts and amenities you need for a comfortable and convenient journey. It features a spacious and well-appointed living area, complete with a full-size kitchen and comfortable seating. Behind, it is equipped with a comfortable drop-down queen-size bed for a good night's sleep. And yeah, there's even a separate shower and toilet. But the real deal of the Winnebago 4x4 Revel is its ability to take you places you never thought possible. With its advanced off-road capabilities, you'll be able to access the most remote and beautiful locations, from the rugged mountains to the sandy deserts. Peugeot Boxer 4x4 is another rugged and capable off-road camper van designed for those who want to explore the great outdoors without compromising comfort and convenience. This upgraded camper van is designed to easily tackle the toughest off-road trails, thanks to its exceptional components and materials. The Wanderlust green body color with mint and dark chrome accents give it a striking, adventurous look that will immerse you in the beauty of nature. As you venture deeper into the wilderness, the extra lights on the Peugeot Boxer 4x4 come in handy, illuminating your path through the dark, winding trails. But this camper van isn't just built for rugged off-roading. It also prioritizes comfort with its clean, simple, and sophisticated interior. Inside, the Peugeot Boxer 4x4 is designed with comfort and functionality in mind. The spacious and well-appointed interior features comfortable seating for the whole group, as well as a variety of convenient storage options. And we're hopeful to see this concept into a reality very soon. The Outside Van Trails was built with one mission in mind: to provide bikers with the ultimate mobile base camp. With a sturdy Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 144 as its foundation, this van was outfitted with Fox 2.0 front and rear shocks, making it capable of conquering even the most rugged trails. In addition, the black Rhino Yellowstone 17-inch wheels added an extra touch of ruggedness to the van's appearance, making it stand out from the rest. But the trails wasn't just about good looks, it was also about functionality. Equipped with a Lithionics 945 amp-hour power system, this van was designed to be off-grid capable, so you can take it to the most remote places. The Midland MX-T 575 two-way radio and ZAMP solar panel added to this capability, allowing you to stay connected even in the middle of nowhere. The van's exterior was wrapped in Oregon Design's attractive orange wrap, giving it a unique and eye-catching appearance. The interior of the van was just as impressive. with a galley kitchen and a custom mattress to make sure you have everything you need to make your camping experience comfortable. TouRig Sprinter 170A is a fully loaded van built specifically for families, with all the creature comforts needed to make the journey as enjoyable as possible. Its agile off-road suspension kit, method dually wheels, and 16-inch all-terrain tires make sure the van can conquer any terrain users come across. The Baja Designs LP6 lights allow you to continue the journey even after the sun goes down, while its Fiamma side awning provides a shaded spot to relax and take in the views. But the real game changer is the removable platform bed with a 4-inch gel foam mattress, allowing users to sleep soundly and wake up refreshed for the next day's adventures. And the single-burner induction cooktop ensures that adventurers can cook up a delicious meal no matter where they are. So that was our second video on 5 off-road 4x4 camper van for extreme adventures. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.